Congress MP Imran Masood has now launched a sharp attack on Samajwadi Party, also questioning its political relevance in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Imran Masood says the Congress is a national party and is not begging before the Samajwadi Party. And he in fact was responding to the controversy over Muslim leader remark. He said the facts are evident and some people get upset when he speaks. He's also hitting out at the Samajwadi Party leaders. So Imran Masood there going all out against the Samajwadi Party, reminding them they are the national party, questioning the presence of Samajwadi Party in Madhya Pradesh.
प्रधानमंत्री तो यहीं बैठे रहते हैं, प्रधानमंत्री तो कहीं जाते नहीं। प्रधानमंत्री देश से बाहर जाएं तो सवाल नहीं खड़े होते। राहुल गांधी कहीं चले जाएं तो आप सवाल पूछने लगते हो। ये बात प्रधानमंत्री से पूछ।
लेकिन ये समाजवादी पार्टी बोल रही है सर, समाजवादी पार्टी की तरफ से ऐसा बयान
किसने दिया? कौन है ये?
उनके स्पोक्सपर्सन है सर।
तो कौन? मानसिक रूप से दिवालिया है वो।
लेकिन अलायंस की अगर बात करें सर, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि समाजवादी पार्टी आप लोगों की जो डिमांड है वो सुनने के लिए तैयार हुई? क्योंकि आज आपने भी एक गंभीर आरोप लगाया कि मुस्लिम लीडर्स को वो टॉलरेट नहीं कर पाते हैं जो कि बात बोलते हैं।
भाई वो दिखाई दे रहा है, देखो जो बुरा लग जाएगा, मेरा बोलना बहुत बोल चुका मैं, लेकिन ये बात तो सच्चाई है।
इक्विटेबल सीट्स की जो डिमांड राजेंद्र पाल गौतम जी ने भी उठाई है, वो आपको क्या लगता है कि समाजवादी पार्टी मानेगी?
देखिए, उनके मानने ना मानने का प्रश्न ही नहीं है हमारे सामने। हम किसी से भीख थोड़ी मांग रहे हैं। अगर भाई हमारे गठबंधन होगा, हमारी बात होगी, ठीक होगा, नहीं होगा तो भी होगा ये, लेकिन होना चाहिए फौरन। बस मेरा इतना कहना है, जो भी होना चाहिए।
वो कह रहे हैं कि मध्य प्रदेश में हमें कांग्रेस ने सीट नहीं दी थी, तो आप कैसे किस प्रकार?
मध्य प्रदेश में आपका वजूद क्या है भाई? आप ऐसी बातें कर देते हैं। कांग्रेस राष्ट्रीय पार्टी है।
ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच सर। सो दैट वाज मिस्टर इमरान मसूद।
Let's go across to Niyamika, who had this exclusive conversation with Imran Masood. And I remember just a couple of days back, Niyamika, Akhilesh, when asked about Congress party's preparation for UP poll, said उनके हिसाब से कांग्रेस पार्टी की उतनी तैयारी नहीं है. Now my question is, what Mr. Masood is saying, is that what the High Command feels? This is what the Congress party has to say about their ally? Or later Mr. Masood very conveniently is just going to say that was an individual reaction and opinion?
Firstly, I would like to mention that what Mr. Akhilesh Yadav had said at that point in time when he has, criticized the Congress party's, performance. In fact, the kind of work, the kind of work which they are doing at the grassroots level, all of these criticism which was being made by Mr. Akhilesh Yadav. In fact, at that point in time also, it was Imran Masood who had criticized this particular statement, saying that if Akhilesh Yadav has that much of guts, then he should contest alone in the upcoming assembly elections. He had given an open challenge, as it is Mr. Imran Masood himself who has continuously making this kind of a statement that it is only because of the Congress party that the Samajwadi Party has won this much of seats in 2024 general election. In fact, the way in which Congress is demanding that there should be an equitable share of seats which needs to be done during this alliance when it is going to take place ahead of the assembly elections. That was the statement which was being given by the UP Congress in charge, Rajendra Paul Gautam. So it is not just Imran Masood, but there are other voices which are also coming in regarding this entire matter. They are also stating it very clearly that it is only the Congress party which can fight against the agenda, which can fight against the ideology of the BJP and the RSS, and the way in which Congress is having this kind of a fight to save the constitution is what the Congress leaders are claiming. Then it is it
right.
should be the
so you're saying Imran Masood is not alone. There are other Congress leaders who are voicing their opinions as well, demanding equal share, and that somewhere goes on to show that perhaps this is what the High Command is thinking and is trickling down the party lines. Thank you very much, Niyamika, for getting us the details. Now, Congress party, the High Command officially hasn't said anything about Imran Masood's statement, but the Samajwadi Party has distanced itself from Congress MP Imran Masood's remarks, saying he is not authorized to speak on alliance matters. The Samajwadi Party said decisions on seat sharing and the future of INDI bloc will be taken only by the top leadership of both parties and not by individual leaders.
इमरान मसूद कोई कांग्रेस की लीडरशिप नहीं है। वो क्या कहते हैं वो कांग्रेस वालों से पूछिए क्यों कहते हैं। क्या उन्होंने उन्हें गठबंधन में बोलने को अधिकृत कर दिया है? गठबंधन जो है तय होता है राष्ट्रीय नेताओं के बीच में। जब समाजवादी और कांग्रेस की लीडरशिप बैठेगी तो इंडिया अलायंस का जो स्वरूप है जिसमें हम चल रहे हैं उसमें सीटें कैसे बटेंगी, क्या बटेंगी, वो तब तय होगा। इसके अतिरिक्त चाहे हमारे दल से चाहे कांग्रेस पार्टी से कोई भी नेतृत्व के अलावा इधर उधर बोलता है तो अपनी सीमाओं से ज्यादा बोल रहा है उसकी इतनी हैसियत नहीं है, चाहे वो हमारा पार्टी का हो चाहे किसी पार्टी का हो। ये नेतृत्व का अधिकार है और नेतृत्व ही इसमें बताएगा।
But the BJP has also jumped into this entire controversy, mocking both Congress and the Samajwadi Party, claiming cracks have surfaced in the alliance even before the UP elections. The party accused Congress of failing to maintain ties with its regional allies and questioned how the alliance could govern together if it cannot stay united.
One more Kalesh, one more fight in the SP Congress alliance even before the elections are underway in UP. Congress cannot get along with any regional ally. It wants to use and throw everyone. Whether it's Samajwadi, whether it's DMK, whether it's RJD, UBT Sena, JMM, NCP Sharad Pawar, all of them are having problem with Congress. We saw in the recent meetings, we saw in the recent developments. Because nobody has faith in Rahul Gandhi or in Congress. They have no mission, they only have ambition for position and division. And that results in this kind of tension. Now, if they can't unite to form an alliance, how will they unite to run the state?